India-United States relations have transformed from mutual suspicion during the Cold War to one of the most strategic partnerships in contemporary global order. Today, this relationship is often described as a defining partnership of the 21st century, driven by shared democratic values, economic interdependence, and converging geopolitical interests, especially in the Indo Pacific region. However, this partnership is not a formal alliance. It is shaped by India's policy of strategic autonomy and the United States' expectations of India as a key partner in balancing China. Therefore, India US relations are best understood as a mix of cooperation and cautious independence, constantly evolving with global changes. In the early years after independence, relations between India and the United States were relatively warm. Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Harry Truman shared some common ground, especially in supporting democratic governance. However, differences soon emerged due to India's policy of non alignment and the US policy of forming military alliances during the Cold War. The United States developed close military ties with Pakistan through alliances such as CENTO and SEATO and provided significant military aid to Pakistan. This created distrust in India, especially as Pakistan used US supplies weapons in conflict with India. During the 1965 war and particularly the 1971 Bangladeshi Liberation War, the US tilt towards Pakistan became very clear. The deployment of the 7th Fleet in the Bay of Bengal during the 1971 war was seen by India as a direct pressure tactic. India's 1974 Pokhran nuclear test further strained relations, leading to US led sanctions and technology denial regimes. At the same time, India developed closer ties with the Soviet Union, especially through 1971 Indo-Soviet Treaty. Thus, during the Cold War, India-US relations remained limited and often marked by mistrust, while India aligned more closely with Soviet bloc in practical terms. The end of the Cold War and India's economic reforms in 1991 created new opportunities for engagement. India opened its economy to foreign investments, and the United States emerged as a major economic partner. This period marked the beginning of a gradual shift from political distrust to economic cooperation. US President Bill Clinton's visit to India in 2000 was a turning point, signaling renewed engagement. At the same time, the nuclear issue remained a major concern. After India's 1998 nuclear test, the US imposed sanctions but also initiated dialogue through Jaswant Singh Strobe Talbot talks, which helped build mutual understanding on strategic issues. During the 1999 Kargil War, the United States played an important role by pressuring Pakistan to withdraw its forces, marking a shift in US policy towards India. This period also saw the fading of Cold War alignments and the emergence of shared concerns such as terrorism and regional stability. The India US Civil Nuclear Agreement marked a major turning point in bilateral relations. The 123 agreement allowed India access to global nuclear technology and fuel despite not being a signatory to the Nuclear Non Proliferation Treaty. The US passed the Hyde Act to enable this cooperation, and in 2008, India received a waiver from the Nuclear Suppliers Group. India agreed to separate its civilian and military nuclear facilities and place the civilian ones under international safeguard. This effectively ended India's nuclear isolation and was often described as the end of nuclear apartheid. However, the deal was also created political controversy within India. The left front withdrew support from the UPA government, arguing that the agreement compromised India's strategic autonomy. Despite this, the deal significantly strengthened India US strategic trust. Defense cooperation has become one of the strongest pillars of India US relations. The new framework for India US relations, signed in 2005 and updated in 2015, laid the foundation for long term collaboration. India has acquired several advanced platforms from the US, including C-17 Globemaster transport aircraft, C-130J Super Hercules, P-8I maritime surveillance aircraft, Apache attack helicopters, Chinook heavy lift helicopters, and M777 howitzers. Recently, agreements such as the GEF 414 jet engine deal for India's Tejas Mk2 highlights a significant shift towards co production and technology transfer. Other agreements like LEMOA Comcasa, and Becca have improved interoperability and information sharing between the two militaries, although India continues to avoid entering into a formal alliance. Regular joint exercises have strengthened operational coordination. The Malabar naval exercise, now involving Japan and Australia, is a key element of maritime cooperation in the Indo Pacific. Other exercises such as Yuddha Abhyas, Cope India, Tiger Triumph, and Vajra Prahar enhance joint capabilities and trust. The initiative on critical and emerging technologies launched in 2023 represents a new phase in the partnership. It focuses on areas like semiconductors, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, 5G, 6G, and biotechnology. This reflects a shift from traditional defense cooperation to high technology collaboration. Space cooperation has also expanded significantly. India's Chandrayaan 1 mission carried NASA instruments, and the upcoming NISAR satellite is a joint project between NASA and ISRO. India has also signed Artemis Accord, indicating its participation in global space governance frameworks. The US is also supporting India's Gaganyaan mission in specific areas. Economic ties have grown rapidly with bilateral trade reaching around 190 to 200 billion dollars in 2023 to 24. India has a surplus in services, especially IT, while it has a deficit in goods trade. India exports software services, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and engineering goods, while it imports aircraft, machinery, and energy products from the US. However, challenges remain in areas like intellectual property rights, digital trade regulations, and data localization policies. Negotiations for bilateral investment treaty are ongoing. Despite growing trade, disputes have been frequent. These include WTO cases on solar panels, steel tariffs, and agricultural products. The US also removed India from Generalized System of Preferences in 2019, though partial restoration has been discussed. Visa issues, particularly related to H-1B visas, remain a sensitive topic. The revival of Quad in 2017 has added a strategic dimension to India US relations. Along with Japan and Australia, both countries cooperate on maritime security, infrastructure, technology, and climate issues in the Indo Pacific region. However, India continues to balance its Quad participation with its involvement in other groupings like BRICS and SCO, maintaining its strategic autonomy. China has criticized the Quad as an Asian NATO, but India insists it's not a military alliance. Climate cooperation has gained importance in recent years. The US rejoined the Paris Agreement, and both countries have launched initiatives like the Strategic Clean Energy Partnership and the Climate Action and Finance Mobilization Dialogue. Cooperation in renewable energy, hydrogen, and battery storage is expanding. India and US have significantly deepened counter-terrorism cooperation, especially after 9/11 and the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. Both countries have an institutionalized India-US counter-terrorism joint working group established in 2000. Intelligence sharing between agencies like RAW and CIA has increased, particularly regarding terror networks operating from Pakistan and developments in Afghanistan after the US withdrawal in 2021. The US has supported India in designating terrorists like Masood Azhar at the UN. However, recent tensions have emerged over issues like alleged Khalistani extremist activities in North America, including the 2023 Gurpawan Singh Pannu case, where India raised concerns over anti India activities being tolerated on US soil. This shows that while cooperation is strong, trust is not absolute. The Indian diaspora in the US, estimated at around 4.5 million, is a major pillar of bilateral relations. It is one of the most economically successful communities with a median household income significantly higher than US average. Indian Americans play a strong role in politics and policy making, with figures like Kamala Harris and Nikki Haley highlighting this influence. In education, over 300,000 Indian students study in the US, making India one of the largest sources of international students. Cultural influence is also strong. Yoga, Indian cuisine, Bollywood, and festivals like Diwali have gained mainstream visibility in the US. At the same time, American soft power through Hollywood, fast food chains, and higher education institutions continue to shape Indian society. Despite growing cooperation, several structural challenges remain. One major issue is India's continued defense relation with Russia, especially the S 400 defense system deal, which risks sanctions under the USCAATSA law. Although the US has not imposed sanctions, this issue remains sensitive. Human rights concerns are another point of friction. US reports such as those by State Department and USCIRF have raised concerns about issues like Kashmir, the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, and religious freedom, which India considers internal matters. Trade disputes also persist. The US removed India from generalized system of preferences in 2019, affecting Indian exports. There are ongoing disagreements over digital trade, data localization, and tariffs on steel and agriculture. Geopolitical differences also exist regarding Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. India's foreign policy is guided by the principle of strategic autonomy, which evolved from the non allied movement. Unlike US allies such as Japan or NATO countries, India has deliberately avoided entering into a formal military alliance. Instead, India has signed foundational agreements like LEMOA 2016, COMCASA 2018, and BECA 2020, which enable logistics support, secure communications, and geospatial intelligence sharing. These improve military cooperation without creating treaty obligations. At the same time, India continues to engage with multiple power centers. It is part of the Quad with the US, Japan, and Australia, but also participates in BRICS and SCO alongside Russia and China. This multi alignment approach allows India to maximize benefits while avoiding over dependence on any single partner. India US relations are expected to grow significantly, with a target of $500 billion in bilateral trade by 2030. Key areas of future cooperation include defense manufacturing. Examples are GE F-41 jet engine co-production, semiconductors under the ICET Initiative 2023, clean energy and space collaboration. India also has the potential to become an alternative manufacturing hub to China, supported by US investments and supply chain diversification strategies. Initiatives like the production linked incentive schemes can benefit from this shift. However, India must manage this relationship carefully. Over dependence on the US could limit policy flexibility, especially in areas like Russia, Iran, and global trade. Therefore, India must continue diversifying partnerships while strengthening domestic capabilities in defense, technology, and manufacturing. India US relations have evolved from Cold War distrust to a deep and multi dimensional partnership. Today, they are driven by shared interests in economic growth, technological advancement, and managing the rise of China. However, differences remain, particularly on strategic autonomy, trade, and geopolitical priorities. The future of the relationship will depend on how well both countries manage these specific differences while expanding cooperation. For India, the key challenge is clear: gain maximum strategic economic benefits from the US partnership without compromising independent decision making.